So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find income restricted rentals that are being listed here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, select rent and then select your city or your town. I'll just use Phoenix for this example and then press on search. Once you're on the map or this page, I want you to go to the top and press on filters. Then just scroll down to where it says other and where it says income restricted, make sure that is checked off. Then go to the bottom right and press on see homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is a variety of different listings that are considered to be income restricted. So if that's what you guys are looking for, then there you go. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can find income restricted rentals here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.